Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Miller of Pursuit Physical Therapy, and today we're talking about hip pain. Now, there's many different causes of hip pain. You can actually have an actual hip injury, like a labral tear, or you can have hip arthritis that's causing your hip pain. But you can also have a low back injury that's referring pain down to the hip. And this highlights my perfect example today of what I want to get at. I want you to solve the problem that's truly causing your hip pain. And in this case, if you just treat the hip, you're going to be missing the actual cause and you're chasing pain. If your injury is caused because of a low back injury and you're having hip pain and you just treat the hip, you're going to be missing the true cause of your hip pain. Now, many times the SI joint can also refer out to the hip. So again, if you treat that hip pain only, you're going to be missing the cause and you'll have a failed outcome, or your pain will keep on coming back. Many of my athletes will just end up taking pain meds, or someone who's having chronic hip pain will just rely on that pain medication or an injection for pain relief. And it's okay short term, that's fine. But if you have a decreased hip range of motion, where you need that hip range of motion to complete a golf swing, or if you have decrease in hip strength, where you need good hip strength to be able to run that 5K or that 10K, if you just back off and rely on pain meds or a cortisone injection, but then you go back out and golf or you go back out and run, your hip pain's going to come back because you haven't addressed the true problem that's causing it, which could be the lack of range of motion, the decrease in hip strength. So if you would solve these problems, you'd get the long-term and the short-term relief that you're looking for without needing pain meds, without needing injections. And you'll solve the problem that's really causing your hip pain. So the goal of today's lecture was just to educate you on not all hip pain is just hip pain, but if you can seek treatment for it and solve the problem that's really causing it, you'll get your short-term outcome. You'll get decreased pain. You'll start getting more range of motion, getting stronger, and getting back to functional exercises, and you'll get that long-term outcome. I've seen people that keep on getting hip treatment over and over again for months, and if you're still seeing me months later, I'm not solving that problem. So when you're seeking treatment for hip pain, make sure that you solve the problem that is causing your hip pain, and you'll get the short-term and long-term results that you're looking for. If you're dealing with chronic hip pain, or if you failed multiple treatment approaches, give us a call or visit us at pursuittherapy.com. Thank you.